Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Prince Patel. It is a e-learning platform of Smart Computer Education. We are learning C programming. Till now, we had learned many of things in C programming like tokens, operators and many more. But if you want to become a programmer, then must watch my new upcoming videos because I am going to teach you the basic concept of programming, like what is a function, what is a loop, what is an array, how they are working. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it for getting a latest new upcoming video notification. In this session, we will learn looping statement in C programming. In the previous video, we had learned what is a for loop. If you have not seen that my video, go to my description, link is available and learn it. In this, I will teach you what is a nested loop and what is a while loop. So, first of all, what is a nested loop? So, the word nested means the statement having another same statement inside its own body, then it is known as a nested. So here we are discussing about a nested loop. Means the loop statement having another same loop statement inside its own body, then it is known as a nested loop. Here we will discuss about a nested for loop because we have learned what is a for loop. So the nested for loop means the for loop having another for loop inside its own body, then it is known as a nested for loop. So here is a syntax of nested for loop. As you can see that I had created one for loop. Inside that I had used again a new for loop. Then this is known as a nested for loop. Like this you can use nested while loop or nested do while loop also. What is the use of nested loop? So if you want to print a pattern or if you want to print a matrix in a program, then you must have to use a nested loop. Either you can use a nested for loop or nested while loop or nested do while loop, but you have to use a nested loop. Okay, so here I am show you one program which will print my star pattern. So here is my program in which I had used a two for loop. First is my main for loop and second is my inner for loop. So the main for loop is starting from 1 and goes to 5 and the inner loop is also starting from 1 and goes to I. I means the value of I that will be executing on runtime. Alright, so here I am not showing you that how the loop is executing, but I will show you that how my nested for loop is executing in my next video. So what will be the output of this program? So the output of this program is printing star pattern. But let's I tell you that how the loop is executing over here. So first the compiler will take an entry in a loop, then it will execute inner loop. After complete the execution of inner loop, it will go back to a main loop. Again it will take an entry in a main loop. Again it will execute inner loop. After complete, again it will go back. This process will repeat till the main loop condition is evaluated as a true. Alright, so this is the working of our nested loop. If you are not getting any idea, don't worry. I will teach you how the nested loop and a while loop working in my next video. Alright, so now what is a while loop? So the while loop is an entry control loop. Normally the while loop is used when you don't know how many times you want to execute a loop. At that time you can use a while loop. The syntax of while loop is initialize the variable, then use keyword while. Inside parentheses there will be a condition, then curly brackets. Inside it there will be a body part and updation expression. The updation expression can be an increment, decrement, or you can do addition, subtraction, whatever you want to do, but you have to update loop value. Now, let's see how while statement works. So step 1. The initialization expression will execute but only once. It means it will execute when the loop is executing first time. After that it will not execute. This step will allow you to declare or to initialize any loop control variable. Step 2. The condition expression will be evaluated. Step 3. If the condition expression is evaluated as a true, then the statement inside the body of while loop will be executed and the updation expression will also execute. Step 4. Again it will check the condition. Again the condition expression is evaluated as a true. Again it will execute the body of loop. Means till the condition evaluated as a true, step 2 and step 3 will be repeat. Step 5. If the condition expression is evaluated as a false, then the while loop will be terminated. Let's see one program which print hello mark 10 times. So here is my program which is printing hello mark 10 times. So first I had initialized one variable int I equals to 1. Then I had used while loop. Condition is I less than equals to 10. So loop will start from 1 and goes to 10. Inside loop I had used printf functions to print hello mark and the updation expression is I++. So the output of this program will be hello mark 10 times. So we have learned what is a nested loop and what is a while loop. If you want to grow up your skills, then do the practicals given in my description. If you are having any doubts or if you are having any problems, comment it or you can also mail me. The ID is given in my description. In next video, I will show you that how the nested loop and how the while loop is working. Okay, so if you are not see the video of for loop, go to descriptions, the link is available and learn it. If you are having any doubts in that also, you can comment it. You can also follow us on Instagram, name as marcomputer_ctm_vastral. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.